Brain fog can feel like hitting an invisible wall. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how to punch through it, naturally. Quick, science-backed fixes you can use today. Light, movement, cold, nutrition, and deep rest. Educational only, not medical advice. Work with your clinician. Like, subscribe, and share for more natural health content. In bipolar disorder, cognitive fog shows up as slowed thinking, unreliable memory, and effortful focus. Words get stuck on the tip of your tongue. You reread the same line again and again. It can impact work, relationships, and your sense of self. This is not a character flaw. It's a genuine neurobiological state, as real as mood shifts. A leading driver is inflammation. Cytokines disrupt communication and slow neural processing. The prefrontal cortex, planning, decision-making, working memory, gets hit hard. Neurotransmitter instability adds static to the system. Signals get fuzzy. Disrupted sleep blocks nightly brain cleanup, feeding a vicious cycle of fog. Good news, you can intervene fast with non-drug tools. Light, movement, temperature, nutrition, non-sleep deep rest. Each is deployable in about 10 minutes, and they complement, not replace, your medical treatment. Here's our roadmap. Understand the fog, then use precise, practical levers. Stay to the end for a single action to start today. First lever, light, the master switch for your brain's timing and clarity. Within 30-60 minutes of waking, get outside for 5 to 10 minutes of natural light. Photons signal your suprachiasmatic nucleus, your master clock. This triggers a healthy morning cortisol pulse that boosts wakefulness and focus. It timestamps every cell. Day has begun. Cloudy? Extend to 15-20 minutes. Skip sunglasses. Prescription lenses are fine. Never stare at the sun. This single habit sharpens cognition and stabilizes mood systems all day. At night, avoid bright overhead blue-rich light 2 to 3 hours before bed. Evening blue light suppresses melatonin and degrades sleep quality. If screens are necessary, use filters and lower brightness. Build a strong light-dark cycle. Your brain will thank you. Midday slump? Step out for a 10-minute walk without sunglasses. Overhead light provides a second alerting cue. It boosts catecholamines that drive focus and attention. No extra coffee needed. Use biology, not just stimulants, to feel clear. Light is your anchor. Next, mobilize the mind with movement. 10 minutes. Big payoff. Let's flip your neurochemistry on. Brief cardio increases blood flow and oxygen to the brain. The fastest clarity boost. It releases endorphins, norepinephrine, and dopamine for focus and motivation. The right effort level triggers BDNF, supporting plasticity and memory. Protocol: 10 minutes, elevate heart rate and breathing. Minute 1, easy walk in place. Next 8 minutes, alternate 30 seconds high knees, 30 seconds jumping jacks, and 30 seconds marching. Repeat. Effort cue: you can talk, but you can't sing. Final minute. Cool down, no equipment, minimal space, anywhere. Best after morning sunlight or to beat a mid-afternoon slump. Swap sugar or more caffeine for a clean neurochemical lift. Shift from lethargy to activation in minutes. Movement. Check. Next, a sharp jolt that cuts through the thickest fog. Cold exposure. Fast, free, and potent. Let's flip the switch. Cold exposure rapidly increases alertness and focus. After a warm shower, go as cold as tolerable for 30-120 seconds. Skin cold receptors fire volleys to the brain. Catecholamines surge. Norepinephrine supports vigilance, focus, attention. Control your breathing. Train calm under stress. No shower? Splash your face or immerse hands in ice water. 1 to 2 minutes. Use this as a 10-minute fix when fog descends. Food directly impacts brain clarity through the gut-brain axis. Your microbiome signals via the vagus nerve, neurotransmitters, and inflammation. Processed sugar and unhealthy fats fuel inflammation, a key driver of fog. Prioritize fiber, polyphenols, and omega-3s. Add a small daily serving of fermented food to fortify your gut and mood. Omega-3s support neuronal membranes and reduce inflammation. 10-minute snack: walnuts, blueberries, and dark chocolate to boost blood flow and calm inflammation. Sometimes the best fix isn't effort, it's strategic rest. Enter non-sleep deep rest. 10 minutes can reset your executive circuits. Let's do it right. NSDR is guided, eyes closed, deep relaxation, not sleep, that restores focus. Lie down, close your eyes, scan attention through your body, follow calm breathing. Find a 10-30-minute NSDR or Yoga Nidra track you like and save it. Benefits: lower cortisol, steadier dopamine, clearer thinking. Medications can contribute to fog. They're essential for many. Never change dosing without your prescriber. Keep a 1 to 2 week log. When fog peaks, relation to doses, what helps or worsens it. Specifics beat general complaints and help fine-tune timing, dose, or alternatives. You and your clinician are a team. These are not tricks. They're a system for managing your neurobiology. You don't need all of them daily. Pick what your brain needs right now. Alerting light and a walk, a sharp cold jolt, or a deep rest reset. Track how each tool feels. Keep what works. This week's action: choose just one. Morning sunlight, a 10-minute walk, a cold rinse, or NSDR. Consistency beats intensity. Start small, repeat daily. You can reclaim clarity, one smart choice at a time. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share to support more evidence-based, natural health videos. Start with 10 minutes. Your brain will notice.